Good day guys and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to share Spotify music on Instagram story with background. So guys, before I proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now first and foremost, head over to your Instagram, to your Spotify. So now on your Spotify, now just select a song which you would like to share. So let me say this song. Okay, after selecting this song, now just tap on this, selecting the song, tap on this little share icon which you see. Okay, tap on it, then tap on it will show you where you can share to. Now just select stories. So as you can see right now, you see the story. Yes, you can see now you are sharing this song on Spotify with background. Okay, so guys, this music on Spotify with background. So guys, as easy as that, this is how you share Spotify on Instagram story with background. So guys, before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video. Once again, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for us and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.